Welcome my little pretties. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my updated nighttime skincare routine. First, let's jump into washing my face. I first wash my face with the Body Shop Tea Tree Facial Wash and this brush that I got at Aldi a while ago that's actually really good. But if I have eyebrows or mascara on, I first wash that off with just normal Dial soap. And I first put some of the cleanser in my hand and then on my brush because I just find it less messy that way. And I'll wash my face really well with this. And I'm sorry for the lighting changes. I don't know what's going on in my bathroom. Then I go in with the Biore Baking Soda Facial Wash to further exfoliate my face. And I make sure that I rinse that off really well and pat my face dry. Then I go in with a Lush lip scrub. This one is no longer available, but I will have some of their other ones linked down below. And I know you're supposed to pinch off a piece, but nobody else is using this lip scrub, so I just put it directly on my lips and exfoliate. And then I go in with the Blistex Lip Serum. I love this stuff. It has been such a lifesaver. Now I tone with the Body Shop Tea Tree Toner, and this stuff you really want to make sure you shake up really well because it has a clay in it that settles to the bottom, and you want that to be dispensed throughout the toner as you put it on your face. And you guys know how much I love my L'Oreal Hydrogenius, and I go in with five pumps of that and dot it all over my face as well as rubbing the extra into my hands. Rub that in. And last but not least, I go in with the Body Shop Tea Tree Sleeping Mask. And this is just a random spatula that I have from a different mask, but it works perfectly for this. And again, I dot that all over my face and massage it into my skin. And once that's done, we are all set for bed. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you aren't already, and hit that little bell notification so that you can get notified when I upload new videos. Also, you can like me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. All of those links will be down below, and I will see you guys next week. Mwah.